Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of AI, but not the kind that takes over the world in sci-fi movies. We're talking about AI that helps us build it. AI code assistance. Coding is everywhere, from your phone to self-driving cars. It's how we talk to computers. But writing code can be tough, like figuring out a complex puzzle. That's where AI code assistants come in. They're like having a super smart coding buddy by your side, making coding faster, easier, and more fun. Imagine having a tool that understands what you're trying to code, even before you finish typing. That's the power of AI code assistants. They're revolutionizing how we code, making it accessible to more people, and boosting the productivity of seasoned programmers. So buckle up as we explore this exciting world and see how AI is changing the game of coding. In simple terms, AI code assistants are like really smart text editors. But instead of just helping you with spelling, they help you write actual code. They use something called artificial intelligence, which means they learn from tons of data to understand and generate code. Think of it like this. They've read every coding book and website ever, so they can suggest code snippets, complete lines for you, and even catch those pesky errors we all make. Pretty cool, right? Now, there are a bunch of these AI code assistants out there, but some of the most popular ones you've probably heard of are GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and Kite. These tools integrate right into your coding environment, making them super easy to use. No matter which one you choose, they all share the same goal: to make your coding life easier and more efficient. Okay, so you're probably wondering how these AI code assistants actually work their magic. Well, it all boils down to something called machine learning. Basically, these assistants are trained on massive amounts of code. Think of it like feeding a computer a mountain of cookbooks. The computer analyzes all the recipes and learns the patterns, ingredients, and techniques. AI. Code. Assistants do the same thing, but with code instead of recipes. So, when you're coding and start typing, the AI assistant uses its vast knowledge base to predict what you're trying to do. It's like having a super-powered autocomplete that suggests entire lines of code based on your project's context. But that's not all. These assistants can also learn from your coding style and preferences over time, becoming even more helpful and personalized the more you use them. It's like having a coding buddy who knows exactly what you're thinking. Section 4. Why are AI code assistants so awesome? Now, let's talk about why everyone's so excited about AI code assistants. These tools are revolutionizing the way we write and manage code. First off, they save you a ton of time and effort. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can instantly provide you with the exact code snippet you need. Imagine not having to scour the internet for that one specific code snippet or spending hours debugging a simple error. AI code assistants can identify and fix these issues in seconds. With AI code assistants, you can focus on the bigger picture, the logic and creativity of your project, instead of getting bogged down by the nitty-gritty syntax. This allows you to channel your energy into innovative solutions and creative problem-solving. This means you can build things faster and more efficiently. Projects that used to take weeks can now be completed in days, thanks to the streamlined workflow provided by AI. But it's not just about speed. The accuracy and precision of AI code assistants are game changers. AI code assistants also help reduce errors by catching typos and suggesting more efficient code structures. They can even predict potential bugs before they become a problem, ensuring your code is robust and reliable. Plus, they're fantastic learning tools, especially for beginners. They offer real-time feedback and guidance, making the learning curve less steep and more enjoyable. They provide explanations for complex code snippets and introduce you to new libraries and functions. This continuous learning aspect helps you stay updated with the latest in technology. And the best part? They support multiple programming languages. This versatility means you can switch between different projects and languages without missing a beat. So, whether you're coding a website in JavaScript, analyzing data with Python, or building an app in Swift, there's an AI code assistant out there ready to lend a helping hand. These tools are not just assistants, they are partners in your coding journey, making the process smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Section 5. Real-world heroes. AI assistants in action. Okay, enough with the technical stuff. Let's see how these AI code assistants are actually being used in the real world. These tools are not just theoretical concepts, they are actively transforming the way developers and data scientists work every day. Imagine a web developer building a website. This task, which used to take hours or even days, can now be streamlined significantly. They need to create a form for users to submit their information. This might involve writing multiple lines of code, ensuring everything is correctly formatted and functional. Instead of writing all the code from scratch, they can simply start typing "create a form," and the AI code assistant will generate the basic HTML structure for them, along with suggestions for input fields, labels, and buttons. This not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of errors. Or take a data scientist who's analyzing a massive dataset using Python. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, and finding the right tools to process it can be a daunting task. They can use an AI code assistant to quickly find the right libraries and functions for their analysis, without having to memorize complex syntax or search through documentation. This allows them to focus more on interpreting the data and deriving insights rather than getting bogged down by the technicalities. Even game developers are using AI code assistants to create more immersive and engaging gaming experiences. The gaming industry is highly competitive, and developers are always looking for ways to innovate and improve. They can use these tools to generate complex game logic, design levels, and even create realistic animations. This not only speeds up the development process, but also allows for more creativity and experimentation. These are just a few examples of how AI code assistants are revolutionizing different industries and making coding more accessible and efficient for everyone. From web development to data science to game design, these tools are empowering professionals to achieve more in less time, with greater accuracy and creativity. The future of coding is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 6. Potential bumps in the road. Now, while AI code assistants are super cool and helpful, there are a few potential challenges we need to be aware of. One concern is dependency. It's important to remember that these tools are here to assist us, not replace us entirely. They are designed to enhance our productivity and help us tackle repetitive tasks more efficiently. We still need to understand the code they generate and be able to debug and maintain it ourselves. This means having a solid grasp of programming fundamentals and staying updated with the latest coding practices. Relying too heavily on them without understanding the underlying concepts could lead to problems down the line. Another concern is security. Since AI code assistants are trained on massive data sets of code, there's always a risk that some of that code might contain vulnerabilities or security flaws. It's crucial to be vigilant and perform thorough security checks on any code generated by these tools. Finally, while AI code assistants are constantly being improved, they're not perfect. They can sometimes generate incorrect or inefficient code, especially for more complex tasks. This is why it's essential to review and test the code they generate, just like you would with any other code you write yourself. Testing and validation are key steps in ensuring the quality and reliability of your software. In summary, while AI code assistants can significantly boost our productivity and help us manage our workload, we must use them wisely. By understanding their limitations and maintaining our coding skills, we can leverage these tools to their fullest potential without falling into the trap of over-reliance. Section 7. The future is bright: AI and the coding galaxy. Despite these challenges, the future of AI and coding is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful and intuitive code assistants that can understand our intent, generate more complex code, and even learn from our feedback in real time. Imagine a world where coding is as easy as having a conversation with your computer. You describe what you want to build, and the AI code assistant takes care of the rest, generating clean, efficient, and secure code that perfectly matches your vision. This might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. With the rapid pace of innovation in the field of AI, the possibilities are truly limitless. So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, I encourage you to embrace these tools and explore the amazing world of AI-powered coding.